Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a liquified gradient on Canva. So go to draw. If it's not there, just go to apps and click on the draw one, and you're just going to choose marker, and you're just going to color in your background with any color that you want, really. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Oops, I keep on pressing the same color. Use any colors that you want, of course. And then I'm just going to add in some pinks here. Once you're done, select done, and you're going to select edit image and choose liquify. And then you're going to choose wobble. Actually, you can choose anything you want. Maybe the melt one. Select it, and you can adjust the scaling here and also the amount of it too, and also the speed. Just adjust it and press apply. Then what I like to add to it is a blur. So go to adjust and select the blur over here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!